Hello children, today we are going to discuss the book exercises of chapter 6, The Land of Dense Forests. So we should start with A part. These countries lie in the equatorial region. Rearrange the letters to get their names. Write them on the blank. First is Kenya. Second word is Cameroon. Third is Malaysia. Fourth is Sri Lanka. Fifth is Ecuador. Sixth is Panama. Now the B part. Circle the names of the countries that share the boundaries with the DRC. Tanzania, South Sudan, Zambia, Angola, Uganda and Rwanda. Now C part. Tick the correct answers. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is the second largest country in Africa. Which river flows through the country? River Congo. Third, which of these animals is found in Ituri forest? Okapi. Fourth is the main occupation of the people is farming. Fifth is the capital of the country is Kinshasa. Now fill in the blanks. First, the region that lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the equatorial region. Second, the highest peak in the Ruwenzori mountain is Mount Margarita. Third is forests that remain green throughout the year are called evergreen forests. Fourth is the staple food of the people is cassava. Fifth, Bambuti are the original inhabitants of the country. Now E part, word search. Names of 8 animals found in the Democratic Republic of the Congo are hidden in the word search. Find this and circle them. First is baboon, second crocodile, third is hyena, fourth is rhinoceros, fifth is cheetah, sixth is bonobo, seventh is okapi, eighth is giraffe. Now the F part, activity. Fill in the table on the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Population 8.68 crores. Currency the Congolese franc CDF. Main religion Christianity and official language French. Now the G part. Find the names of the capitals of the countries that surround the DRC. Countries and their capitals. First is Rwanda. Its capital is Kigali. Second is Burundi. Its capital is Bujumbura. Third is Zambia. Its capital is Lusaka. Fourth is South Sudan. Its capital is Juba. Fifth is Angola. Its capital is Luanda. Sixth is Republic of Congo and its capital is Brazzaville. Seventh is Uganda. Its capital is Kampala. Eighth is Tanzania. Its capital is Dodoma. Ninth is Central African Republic and its capital is Bangui. Now the H part. Mark and label the equatorial forest of the world on the world map on page 143. So here you can see the red portions. In the orange block, the Amazon River Basin in South America. Center part, the Congo River Basin, Africa, and towards your right, in the green box, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Malaysia and Indonesia. Thank you.